If you need to cancel a pending transaction on your Google account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account page and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the transaction you want to cancel. Step 2. Access payment methods. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments and Subscriptions section. Here, you will find options related to your payment method and transaction history. Step 3. View transaction history. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, click on Manage Purchases or Transaction History. This will display a list of all your recent transactions, including any pending ones. Step 4. Locate the pending transaction. Scroll through your transaction history to find the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Click on it to view more details about the transaction. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. If the option is available, select Cancel or request a refund. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. If you do not see a cancellation option, you may need to contact Google Support for further assistance. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation regarding the cancellation. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Google Support for help.